folks. Right, it got a drip in the greenhouse today because it is blowy, it's cold, it's wet. Yeah, don't like it. So not doing a lot out here today, but what I do want to do is fill a whole load of pots up to put my chilies on, because they're going to want to be done soon. They're all indoors, so I'm going to fill these up, take them indoors, let them warm and acclimatise a little bit, because no doubt the compost is just cold. And then also fill a tray, because I've got some echinacea from Save Seed that I want to get in, that I'd forgotten all about. So going to do that, and then yeah, don't know what else. Not a lot really, but I'm still holding off on the seed sowing, so I'm doing well. So we'll get started. I'm not actually going to sieve any of this because they'll be big enough, the roots can work through this. God, should break the bag up before I started. So that'll do for a minute. Yeah, I should be so glad. I think it's supposed to be sunshine and showers this afternoon, so I might get out and do something if it's not too bad, but we shall see. Otherwise I should be catching up on people's videos on YouTube and planning for the year. So God, not all going to fit in one tray. Well, plus I've got some more chilies too, so that I've been sent. What can you say? Rubbish. It's the first time I've actually had a bad, well, not bad, the compost is okay, it's good compost, but there's an awful lot of bits and stuff in this one. But hopefully I can actually get out at the weekend and empty the other compost bin, so I'll be able to sieve some of my own. So, because I'll show you in a minute that all the petunias I pricked out are doing well. That's probably not going to stay on there, and they're all potted on into my own compost, so I'm very pleased about that. I've actually got a couple of loofahs as well that are up, so I need to they're going to want putting in bigger pots before very long. That is the only trouble if you sow stuff early. You have got to have the space to keep them. Right, I put that on the floor, I can double stack them. If I don't tread on it, it won't be the first time I've done that and kicked it all over the place. Right, get in there. I've got 20 up so far, so that should do. A very small amount compared to some people, but will do for them. Right, I've got to sieve this lot. Should have moved that, shouldn't I? At least there's no actual, I mean there's big fibrous bits in here, but I've not had any plastic, glass, anything untoward, which is why I've always liked this. This is evergreen compost and it's always done me very well. I must remember when I do sow these, they need light to germinate, the echinacea, so they'll just be sown on the top, and then perhaps a very light sprinkling of vermiculite. Is that going to be enough? No, probably not. No way. Still probably not enough. Right. Now if I'm organised, I need to label these pots because I do save all my labels and reuse them, but then I can never remember what's in what. Not surprised the one with the tomatoes in has got the most labels in. What the bloody hell have I done with them? Ah, right. Let's see if we've got one. Never mind. I'll write another one. Right, I can go indoors to warm up for a bit. Right, that's those done. I've actually sat them in a tray of water for a little bit, so I'll take them indoors, and then I think it's a cup of tea time, and then I've got to go shopping. So I'll catch you again soon. Okay, bye.